Your first question: who built the Taj Mahal? Option A: Shah Jahan. B: Akbar. C: Birbal. D: Ashok Maurya. Right answer is option A: Shah Jahan. Your second question: who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Option A: C.V. Raman. B: Rabindranath Tagore. C: Amartya Sen. D: Mother Teresa. Right answer is option B: Rabindranath Tagore. Third question: what is the name of the largest Indian state by area? Option A: Goa. B: Punjab. C: Rajasthan. D: Tamil Nadu. Right answer is option C: Rajasthan. Your fourth question: Mumbai is the capital city of which state? Option A: Punjab. B: Gujarat. C: Uttar Pradesh. D: Maharashtra. Right answer is option D: Maharashtra. Your fifth question: which is the smallest state in India by area? Option A: Goa. B: Karnataka. C: Meghalaya. D: Andhra Pradesh. Right answer is option A: Goa. Your sixth question: which is the second longest river in India? Option A: Ganga. B: Godavari. C: Yamuna. D: Krishna. Right answer is option B: Godavari river. Seventh question: which flower is called the queen of flowers? Option A: sunflower. B: rose. C: lotus. D: jasmine. Right answer is option B: rose. Your eighth question: what is the state tree of Karnataka state? Option A: coconut tree. B: neem tree. C: mango tree. D: sandalwood tree. Right answer is option D: sandalwood tree. Your ninth question: which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Option A: Mumbai. B: Chennai. C: Bangalore. D: Hyderabad. Right answer is option C: Bangalore. Your 10th question: which planet in the solar system is called red planet? Option A: Earth. B: Mars. C: Jupiter. D: Mercury. Right answer is option B: Mars planet. 11th question: what is the birthplace of Lord Rama? Option A: Anjanadri. B: Nepal. C: Ayodhya. D: Mithile. Right answer is option C: Ayodhya. 12th question. Which district of Karnataka is known as the land of cardamom? Option A. Mysore, B. Shivamogga, C. Hassan, D. Haveri. Right answer is option D. Haveri district. 13th question. Which is the third incarnation of Lord Vishnu in Dashawataras? Option A. Matsya, B. Varaha, C. Narasimha, D. Buddha. Right answer is option B. Varaha incarnation. 14th question. Which district of Karnataka is called Sugar Bowl? Option A. Mysore, B. Mandya, C. Kalburgi, D. Dharwad. Right answer is option B. Mandya district. Your 15th question. Which fruit is called the king of fruits? Option A. Apple, B. Banana, C. Mango, D. Watermelon. Right answer is option C. Mango fruits. Your 16th and last question. What is the governing language of Karnataka state? Option A. Tamil, B. Hindi, C. English, D. Kannada. Guess the correct answer and comment the box. Thanks for watching.